What's up, guys? Countdown our rides, and today is Tuesday. But before we get into the video, I want to take this moment and say thank you very much for watching, and please hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe. It'll help me out, and you'll get to see great, cool content like this. So, Tuesday, what does that mean? It means I went down and I bought a new tool. And this, guys, is not a tool review or a tool unboxing where it's like, oh, look at me, I got a new tool, and I'm going to open it up and show it to you on the camera and put it up on the shelf. Because those people are tools, and all they need to do is just sit there and talk on camera. Anyhow, right here, we got a hose line clamp set. All right, guys, so I know this says performance tool, not Snap-on. The Snap-on guys are rolling over, yelling and cussing and screaming at me. That's okay. Hey, Snap-on guys, drop a comment down below and let me know how upset you are that I didn't buy Snap-on. Here we go. Hose line clamp set. It's got 3 different sizes. It's got a large that I will use for the Eclipse build, which that video will be coming soon too, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to start tearing into that Eclipse motor. It's got a medium size. And then right here is what I was after. This one, the small size, is for 1/8 to 5/16 inch hoses. And yeah, that'll clamp down the hose coming from the gas tank on the Baja mini bike down to that carburetor that I'm going to be replacing. That's what we're doing later today, guys. We're going to be working on the Baja, so stay tuned for that video. Remember, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and ride them like you stole them.